Okay, good morning and welcome to today's live, guys. I don't know why I'm seeing poor network today. We. So, welcome to today's live. Okay, it's back to being excellent. I am currently selling gold. Currently, that's the setup right there. Currently selling gold. Wow. Okay, so I'm currently selling gold. How are we doing, guys? Welcome to today's live. Welcome. As you're joining, make sure you're staying. We're gonna trade this all together today. Let's see where gold is gonna take us. Currently selling gold. That's the setup already in the sale. How are they spelling everyone? Wow. Do I not know how to spell everyone? Welcome everyone. Good morning. Good morning. And welcome everyone. Right? So that is it. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, comment. This is gonna be a good. Today is gonna be a good day. We pray, right? So I don't know. I don't know why this Wi-Fi is getting poor. I really don't know what's wrong with this Wi-Fi today. Let me join and see what is actually happening. Well, if you want to know the exact price where I'm selling, you should join my community. But of course, if you have eyes, if you have good eyes, if you're not using contact lenses or you're not using converging or divergent lenses, you definitely see the entry prices and where they are. Okay, so except you're using one of those, that's when you can't see, or maybe your screen is showing blur. Okay, because from what I'm seeing here, I can see every ounce of entries on this. If you know what is the difference between short and long, just that my colors are different, blue and ash, right? I love that color. There was a day someone was asking me, why did I change my chart colors to blue? And why did I change my chart color to blue and black? That was when I was just trying to catch cruise or whatever. I said I changed it because of emotion. I don't want to be getting emotions when I see the chart. That's what I told them. Because once I see red and it's going red, I get emotion. So change it to black to reduce emotion. Let me use this flare. Let's use you, right? So sell at 44.15, 44.10. Sell at what price? Sell, good morning, chief. That's not even my exact entry, although, but that's where it is. But my exact entry wasn't even there. My exact entry is this yellow, so expires when. Let me use you plus use for just 30 minutes. Okay. Am I currently using it? So that's it, guys. Let's see how the setup is gonna go today. Okay. How much down? What's that? How much down, bro? What's how much down? Let's try. So as you join in, you should just keep at them promo off. In trading, nobody cares where you are from. I'm from India. I already know from Gupta. From saying Gupta, I already know it's India or Pakistan. So in trading, nobody cares about where you're from or whatever. What everyone is after is to make profits. Always be after making profits. So no one is bothered about where you're from. Get more live promos. Live viewers. Try now. Redeem more viewers. I just need more followers. Start. Okay. Hour. Okay, I think we are good. There are 2 flare. I have plenty flares on TikTok. Whoa. What is this flare for? Flares help live creators gain more exposure on their live streams. They are different. Yeah, this black. Here's my glass. Oh, let's be fair. I think I'm gonna prefer this. Is the glass. Yeah. Prefer this. Or is it this? Let me see. And this is better. Okay, so this is better. Bye. 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 What's your broker name? Bye. Sir, have you taken the sell trade? I wouldn't be live if I haven't taken the trade. I won't set it if I. What's the need of setting a trade and don't take it? Is that not dumb? Isn't that dumb? That's more like putting a zone and being scared of taking it. That's madness. Ooh. Okay, what are we doing? So I think probably I like the sale though. Okay, don't like it though. Make sure it gives us profits today before we are gonna like it. What we don't want is going back into drawdown. Okay, I think from when I entered at 4418, came down all the way to 4393. That's like 100 pips, and now it is trying to reverse back into the entry points. Okay, you are clapped either ways, gang. What does that mean? What does that mean? Well, I'm not sharing with. see how TikTok is doing. How are we doing, guys? Yep, gold is back into the entry again. Back into the entry. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna be. Oh, chat disconnected. Why? Why is the chat disconnecting? Well, you guys should know that I'm not interested in anyone's opinion, okay? You have your opinion, create your channel, YouTube channel, go live and give your followers your opinion, okay? I see no reason why you join my live and come with your opinion. Market is bullish, well, it's better, close it and take buy. It's better than now. I see no reason. You have your opinion, open your channel, get followers, go live and give them your opinion to trade, okay? Even if the market is bullish and I'm selling, it takes me out. Yep, I learn from it, finish, and I don't try it again next time. That's it. So I see no reason coming and just disturbing everywhere. Like, bro, the market, why are you buying? Why are you selling? Market is bullish. Let it be bullish as it likes. But I saw what I saw and I'm selling. So that's just it. And take it that way. If I'm selling and it doesn't go well with you, definitely it's not a must to be in the live. That's why there is skip button. Okay. It's just like that. That's why there's skip button. You skip and pass, or you buy as you're saying, and yeah, definitely the next thing you're gonna do is to laugh at me because that kind you told me and I was stubborn. Yeah. Of course, that's trading for you. You can't be always right. Okay. And definitely, as I'm selling, someone is buying. That's trading. It's just an algorithm. It's a blockchain, more like a blockchain. Currently, as I'm selling, someone is currently buying where I'm selling. So it's just like that. So if I'm gonna make profits, that person's loss is gonna be my profit. So that's just the algorithm. So setup is active, selling, triggered, exactly selling. So that's that, and that's what I'm gonna be. And you can imagine me giving a setup and say I'm selling on live just right now and say I'm going to sell, I'm selling gold. Then immediately I just delete this, I delete the what is it called? I delete this short now, bam, and then switch it back to buy and say buy gold here. I'm buying gold here. Like, who does that? All these your scalpers, traders and channel that can switch to from buy to sell in 5 minutes. From buying now, they'll say close. It's going to sell now. Imagine all those people. I don't do that. Once I've said it sell, except it takes me out on where I set my stop loss, I find another zone and check what made it buy. And definitely, if Trump just come out and tweet something now, so even if the structure is showing sell, it might just start pumping. Or if you tweet something, the market is showing buy, it might just start falling. So forget about all those things. That's why I keep saying market is not predictive but reactive, right? Yeah, you can't just predict the next move. You don't know what will happen the next minute. So you should just react according to your structure and analysis, and that's it. Okay, and follow what gives you what is happening. Let me see if there is anything. Okay, this was yesterday's news, 8 hours ago. Trump: no more attacks will be made by Israel on South Pass field unless Iran decides to. Okay, I think this was the trigger that made gold started buying yesterday. All of a sudden, gold just started flying. Okay, immediately he tweeted this from real Donald Trump. Gold just started buying and buying. Let's see today. Today is what? Today can't be Thursday now. Today is Tuesday. So Iranian lawmaker Ali Nixak rules out negotiations with Trump. So they don't even want negotiations. That means they are more interested in the ongoing war. They want the war to keep going. So let them continue then. That's why you can call forex traders evil. Okay, so we have a very high impact news today, right? Flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI. I can see 5.1. So they're expecting increase or just the same. That's the forecast. So that is gonna be that. So let's go back to our gold. Hi, I'm new here. Okay, you're new here. Welcome. Make sure you like, share, and also follow or subscribe as it may be. Why are you getting pressure? Pressure on what exactly? Duke, bro, I like your analysis. Thank you. Thank you. But not just liking. We hope it gives us profit today, right? How many setups do you take per day with your VIP? Literally maximum. I think maximum I've done is 3. Don't even give more than 3. That's the maximum. What will even make me go to that maximum is even if my setups maybe hit, will take profit before the end of the day. It's maximum 3, 2, 3 maximum. Because I do give long setups. Setups are giving like 200, 500 pips. So it will take a long while to get there. So if you're in my it's not really VIP, but you can call it VIP. If you're in my special channel, I always preach patience, okay, and strength of holding. So if you enter this setup like this, if it's going in profits, set break even and keep trailing till it gets to the take profit. Okay. So if you don't know how to be patient and learn how to hold trades for long period of time, you think you can scalp, then you will never make use of my setups very well, because my setups are targeted for more pips. When the market was normal, I think 500 pips of now was 100 pips of 2 months ago. Okay, so you can measure 15 minutes candlestick, only 15 minutes, one candlestick in 15 minutes, and it will be giving you 500 pips. You can see this candle here, it closed at 4403. Look at the bottom here, 4373. That's 300 pips for just 15 minutes candlestick. You can see how the market is so wicked and volatile. Okay, so you can see how the market is so volatile. Okay, so we are active again. Do you send your entry points into your private group? Of course, why not? You don't even need entry points. Once I drop the screenshots, your eyes will tell you where the entry points is. So you don't even need to type it out or whatever and tell you enter now. This screenshot here, you've already seen the complete entry points. Stop loss here, see it's black 4448.92. That's stop loss. Entry, see it here, yellow 4418.80. Take profit, see it down here, blue 4098.98. So don't even need me typing it down, because I can simply screenshot and send. It's so easy for me. I can't be really typing everything. It's so, if you are joining, don't use okay, I don't know what everyone is using or what others are using. As you're joining, you click the 3 button above there. If you're on YouTube, I think TikTok, you don't even need to do anything. TikTok is more clearer on its own, right? But on YouTube, if you're joining, it usually comes as 360. That's the lowest. Okay, that's the lowest HD or whatever you can use to view. So you click that 3 button there. Yeah, you click the 3 button above and then change the quality to 1080p. That's how you're gonna see everything very clear. That's on YouTube. But on TikTok, I don't think it needs that. As you're joining on TikTok, it's just gonna be clear on its own. So you can decide to choose whichever live you want to be on. So what is currently happening now here on YouTube is the same thing that is happening on TikTok. Okay, so there's no difference. I'm currently live on both places at the same time. I tried Instagram too, but So that Instagram was just something else. It was just so quiet. So that's why I preferred YouTube and TikTok. So the setup is active, very, very active. And entries were made on 19, 18, and 20, right? Because if you know me, I like splitting my entries into 5 wherever the market is. My maximum entry is 1 lot size, but I split it into 5. That's 0.2, 0.2. So currently, as the market is right now, is currently running how many pips? 50 plus pips. So I definitely know some of your signal providers, your signal channel will start shouting now. We are in massive profit, 30 pips, 20 pips. They will be shouting massive profits, massive profits. Well, the only time I can shout massive profit is when I see 100 plus pips. It's not as if I'm greedy or whatever, but if I see 100 pips, that's when I'll shout massive, because 100 pips is massive. 100 pips is massive. So that is just it. Let's see how the trade goes. So where is this trade heading to right now? That's some big drawdown we have there. Hey, please teach us. Hey, this trade is active now, bro. Please, where did you place the SL? Can't see it well. Well, this trade is regularly active, but then it's heading to drawdown to stop loss. Stop loss is 4448, very big one though. And this is where if good reaches and doesn't reverse back, then we get tapped out. Well, I'm still in the trade, guys. I'm still in the trade. I am still in the trade. Hello, DZ boy. Hey, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So everyone, welcome, guys. So gold is back into our entry point again for the third time, right? For the third time. So we're hoping for more push. I need to see more push downwards. Okay, let's see more push. $300. Okay. 358 plus 130. Right? Okay. Still haven't gotten it yet. Still not yet. What I won't like is good using my sell zone now, my sell entry point, and switching back into buy entry. That's what I won't like. Okay, but then I'm still looking. I said back into my zone for the third time. Came back into the zone for the third time. Let's see what is gonna happen next from here.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Try it free of charge.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends imitators, and I don't know what you say about our
Guys, don't forget. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comments. Okay, support the live creator. Follow the live creator. Yes, that is it. Subscribe, like, share, comment. The setup is just trying to play with my heart right now, but I'm not phased. Okay, it is what it is. When it fails, that's just it. I am not phased. I am not pressured, someone said, and I am not scared. As you can see, I am not dead. Black Panther.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finally, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the
with YouTube Music Premium. Listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Plus, download podcasts for listening on the move. Try 1 month free of charge.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Come on, gold. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Goldie? That's some huge drawdown, guys. Very big drawdown on this entry. Like 100 pips drawdown already. Which is not nice. Gold, come on. She's in my group. That's 100. Retreat 6.87. Withdraw. Let's withdraw from HFN. Sell. Okay, ready, full side, said hi. Sellers gonna be chasing their tails. Just my opinion. Be safe. Enter and protect. What's the surplus again? Yep, be safe, guys, because we are currently fighting right now. Buyers and sellers are currently fighting. So I good buying. Be convincing, please. What? 450 perfect entry for me. Please be conversation and let's know what you are actually doing. Beginners are here. Can you be? I guess you're just joining my live for the first time. That's why you can be saying that, because I have literally been talking. I've been literally talking throughout this live. I just decided to stay silent for now. What else can I see? I'm not gonna say close now because it's on drawdown. I'm still in the sell, maintaining my stop loss just here. So it's a very big stop loss, 300 pips stop loss, but the target is 3,000 pips. So what else can I see? Again, it's on drawdown, and everyone is in drawdown. I'm in drawdown, you are in drawdown, we are in drawdown. So maintain your stop loss here, and that's it. Hit stop loss. We come back again as usual. The aim is we keep showing up no matter what happens. Just my opinion. Receive and enter. What's the stop loss again? If it breaks 433, it could push up. Yeah, definitely. If it even breaks, where is my stop loss? 448, right? Yeah, if it breaks 443, I don't care. My stop loss is just here. Yes, sir. Just join. Okay, welcome. What are you doing? What should I be doing? I'm on my phone. So, if the trade is going as it wants to go, I'm on my phone. Okay, pressing my phone and looking at my stop loss and also hissing. So that's the only thing I can be doing right now. I can also be saying, "R now, what's this gold? Why don't please gold?" We could push down. What's the time right now? 11.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline.
They shall not negotiate. So,
Listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription.
well, it is what it is.
Continue watching the highest quality videos from anywhere by seamlessly switching devices. Set up automatic downloads so your favorite videos are ready when you are, and play videos when your screen is off or when you use other apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it starve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a golden mile, I can see you at the call.
Why do I always sound unserious? What's there to be serious about? In this life, not everything is about seriousness. Okay? What's there to be serious? I love play. Okay? I love playing. So, that's just me. Game 4. Oh, the same type of pouch. Oh. That's what I was saying. Markets, you might see structures aligning for you and saying gold should sell, but then if Trump tweets something, you just see market starts flying, just like yesterday. Just one tweet of saying they'll ease the whatever. You saw how gold reacted to that. So that's just this forex something is so rigged. Sometimes you see it as if the market is rigged, or there is something that has the button to say gold is going to start flying right now, or there's something that will just click the button and some of the people that are going to analyze it will tell you that yes, it's the smart money people and the bank that are entering the markets with huge amount of money. They control the markets. Forget that. This is exactly 1 hour on this live, guys. 1 hour. But then, why I won't be leaving is because this setup is still here. Only when I'm gonna be leaving is either stop loss or back to 100 plus pips and set break even. That's all. So this is gonna hold me for a while here.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
I'm tired of the
Markets. Really forgotten that broker.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen ad-free, offline, and in the background. Plus, download podcasts for listening on the move. Try 1 month free of charge.
How are we doing, guys? Like I said, I'm already over my time, 1 hour already, but the only time I'm gonna be out of here is because this entry is still above my entry zone. Only time I'm gonna be out of here is I'm gonna see gold pushing down and giving me 100 plus pips. That's when I'm gonna say set break even and I go and rest. Okay, but then or it's gonna go up and hit my stop loss. That's when I'm gonna say, okay, guys, today is a bad day. Let's come back tomorrow for recovery. That's just the two things I have now. Okay, there's nothing to be angry about or sorry about. I saw my setup, I saw the zone, I took the sell. That's just it. So I'm not the mover of market to say immediately I sell it must sell or immediately I buy it must buy. I just do my zones and follow it as it is. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm always live every day here, YouTube, TikTok. Check my history. We are always profitable on live. On few occasions have we hit stop loss on live, so it's countable. Few occasions out of how many lives I've made, I think more than 100 live trading. More than 100 live trading. I can count the number of times my setups have failed. Okay, that's just it. I can count the number of times my setup has failed. Very, very well. I think my voice is more louder now, right? All these Indians trying to look for their Indian brothers. I'm not from India, so stop joining my live and keep asking where are you from. I am not from India, will never be. Okay, so you guys keep looking for who you're going to call brother, looking for your fan. It's always India. It's always you guys. I think I'll set a ban word for that question. Where are you from? I think I'll set it as a ban word. Once you drop it, it will just restrict you, to just put you on timeout. What does where I'm from matter? Why does it matter for you? Why does it matter to know where I'm from? Will it stop you from trading? Okay, or where I'm from will stop you from following my setup, or it will make you look at me like someone that is unserious, like someone is saying, why do you always sound unserious? I don't see any reason from where you are from doesn't matter in Forex. You should be interested in what's your experience, how long have you been trading. You should be interested in results. Check track record. What's your win probability? Where's your win rate? That's what you should be interested in knowing. Not really where I'm from. What does it matter? I think that's gonna be, I'm gonna set that as a ban word. As you're typing pim, where are you from, to just put you on timeout. 24 hours timeout. You can't send any message again. I think that's gonna be the best idea. They think you will survive today. Am I always dead? Am I always dead? Do I always not survive? Might be. But just that for good to be reacting in that zone, so much valid though. So what I usually hate is putting a sell zone and then it breaks it and fails and then reverses to be a buy zone and keeps going. So those are the things that will show you that yes, my zone was actually valid. Okay, so that's just it. So I'm already over 1 hour 10 minutes. Like I said, what I'm gonna drop or end is if I see gold giving me 100 plus pips. So from entry here, although yes, I took entry above at 30, but then some doesn't have the big accounts to take such entry. So I want to see gold coming down to 98. Okay, that's when I'll be so happy, and then be happy to close and end the day in less profit than loss. Okay. So we're just looking. We are just looking.
YouTube Premium, videos and music ad-free. One subscription, 2 apps. Try it free of charge.
Let me see content. Community moderation, right? Settings, good. User manager, moderation, messages in live. Don't hold any messages, potential inappropriate message streak. Post in your community. Viewer post. Minimum subscription time 1 week, 1 day. Who can post? Okay, 1 week. Yeah, good. Let me add this ban word. Exactly, where are you from, right? It's gonna be okay. Where are you from? Where from? Good. Perfect. So no one is gonna see anything from where are you from the trenches. Okay, did I come from trenches? Definitely. How about Bitcoin? This was yesterday's setup on Bitcoin. Bitcoin decided to fly up after at least 200 pips after, but then I had full take profit on this. I wasn't really interested in Bitcoin. I would have seen where to enter again, but not really interested in Bitcoin. So well, chat disconnected and connected successfully. Did you disconnect and disconnect? I didn't even know. So someone said, I think we are gonna survive this. Yeah. Already I'm tired already. I'm here for 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So I'm already tired already. So I just needed to give me 100 please. Let me take partial and set break even. And I can bid everyone goodbye. That's just it.
Customized playlists and radio stations. And jam to music when your screen is off or while using other apps. There is more to discover with YouTube. Try 1 month free of charge.
Well, guys, I'm tired here. I have other things to do. So gold is back to the setup and it's trying to respect it as a buy zone or starting to buy. It came back up towards 15 and now it's playing there. Well, I'm going to respect stop loss or 100 plus pips to 200 plus pips for anything about this setup. So you can take your snapshots. I'm selling. I'm currently in the trade. I'm still in the trade. Take your snapshots and save it for yourself because I'm gonna be ending the live right now. I'll be updating my community about the trade. So if you're not in my community, make sure you join. Okay, and get the updates from the coach's mouth. So it's gonna be all for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. I'm always live every day. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Target 500 plus pips for this sale if it goes well. So bye.